Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I am excited to finally do another grocery haul. I love grocery haul videos. I love to see grocery hauls to inspire me to cook for the week and to kind of give me ideas of what to buy for my meals, right? Or even just give me meal ideas. Like, I love grocery. I have been wanting to film one in a while, but it gets a little crazy and hectic. We all have lives to live and we all have jobs and we have all these other responsibilities, so it's been a little bit hectic. But now I have I have some time today. It's the weekend to actually film this video, and I did groceries early. I usually do them on Sundays, but this week I decided to do them earlier. I did most of them on Saturday, which was yesterday, and now I was like, okay, I ended up getting a few more things today, and I was like, I'm done grocery shopping, and now I can do this video. So I want to show you guys everything I got. I went to Costco yesterday. I went to Tony's market yesterday. I went to Walmart, and I went to Whole Foods last week, but I still have a few things that I'm gonna use from Whole Foods for this week. My fitness journey has been crazy, but let me tell you, my diet journey has been even more crazy. Like, actually taking care of yourself, not only physically but inside of you, and like what you're eating and you're consuming. It's overwhelming. It's hard. You have to put time, effort, and energy to doing that stuff, and you have to have such a strong mentality to be willing to make that switch over. I'm really trying my best to only eat out 2 to 3 times max the whole week, and that even includes like buying coffee and stuff, because I don't buy anything anymore. So being very mindful for my wallet and for my health. So yeah, I'm super excited to show you guys everything I got, and hopefully you guys get some inspiration and some ideas of what to get and what to cook. So without further ado, we're gonna start this video. Before I show you guys everything, I wanted to give you a few tips. Usually I go to 3 different grocery stores. Usually my to-go is Aldi because it's pretty affordable. Or I really like to go to like Costco if I need to buy something in bulk and I know it's gonna be more affordable. And then I like to go to like a local supermarket like Tony's, Pete's, Cermak Produce, Rio Valley for like my other stuff, because I just feel like I can't find everything in one store. I think like, especially if I try to find everything in one store, it gets super expensive. So what I personally do, I find like the best prices of stuff, and I kind of have an idea of where I can find affordable things. And sometimes Whole Foods has really good sales. And also like try different things to see like what you would like to invest your money on, right? Like for me, I had to go to Whole Foods various different times to see what I like from them and what I was willing to invest from them, right? And like sometimes I find some things that are not even cheaper at Walmart, like it's cheaper somewhere else. So like, just do your research, take your time doing groceries, and make a list. That's my second big tip, is make a list. Know what you're doing, like know what you're getting before you walk into the grocery store. Like, you need to know. If not, you're gonna waste so much money. My thing is, like, I would recommend having like 3 to 4 recipes for Monday through like Saturday, because that's just gonna make you save money and time and stress. So when I go grocery shopping, I actually already have everything, like a list of groceries that I need, and I stick to my groceries. And from here and then I might buy like a few things that I find on sale and stuff, but like other than that, I try my best to stay on focus on only my grocery list, because groceries are getting more expensive and it's just stressful sometimes, because like you're just trying to figure different things out, and then when you're paying, you realize like with taxes is so much more than you thought. My last tip is making sure that when you are creating that list, that you are making sure that those lists, like the ingredients, just make sure that the ingredients that you're buying for one meal can actually be used for the other meal, and that's going to save you money and stress again. Because for me, chicken is like my big source of protein. So if I'm like, for this week I'm doing chicken stir fry, but I'm also using chicken for a power bowl that I want to make. So I'm gonna cook a good amount of chicken for both things and just have it for the week ready to go. So, like, just be mindful. All right, but enough talking, let's get to the grocery haul. So I'm gonna start off with my fruit. My fruit of the week is uvas. I love my grapes. I always eat grapes since I was little. My mom used to buy them, not too often because they were pretty expensive, but like when I went to college, I would always buy uvas. Like, I love having fruta all the time, at least once a day. I love fruit a lot, so I need to have some type of fruit every day because I just don't feel like myself. It's hard to explain, but I really love having fruit. Second, I got some blackberries and some raspberries. This I can literally just use it for some yogurt, as just something to snack on with like my crackers and some cheese or something like that, to give you an idea, like a snack. I can also use this for like my French toast or pancakes that I want to make during the week. My last fruit of the week, oh actually no, I have two more. I have bananas. This is my other fruit. I literally need so much banana for the week because I use this for like my oatmeal, which I eat on a regular basis, for my yogurt. Sometimes I just like to have a banana as a snack. And I have my apples, and in particular, I really like the Honeycrisp apples. These are my favorite. I'm gonna eat one later today. I have tried Gala apples and the other ones. I mean, they're fine, but the ones that I really like are Honeycrisp. All right, moving on to my veggies. I bought some kale. I got kale so I can saute it for my power bowl with like some sweet potato, chicken, and rice and chickpeas. So I'm gonna saute this. My sister made me try it like a few weeks ago, and I really liked it. I was like so surprised that it tasted so good. So I'm gonna make some, and I'm gonna have extra that she's probably gonna use for her own salads. Next, vegetables. I got this at Costco. I went with Heidi to Costco yesterday. She never has been there, so it was her first time and she really liked it. So I decided to try this one. I've heard good things about it from like TikTok. I saw people talking about how this is like one of their favorite salads that they always get at Costco, and it's organic. And to my surprise, it was not as expensive as you would think. I think it was like $4-5, which is not bad because this is a pretty decent big bag of salad. And it has like really great things, especially for being like organic salad. Like it has cabbage, lettuce, kale, avocado pure, carrot, salted corn, flax chips, cheddar, and crispy dried corn. And then I'm using for my salad cucumbers. So I got two cucumbers. Oh my god, I cannot say cucumber. I got 2 cucumbers for my salad. And I have some tomatoes in the fridge. I also bought a red onion. It's over there. I did not want to take it out of the pantry. And I got an avocado. Okay. Alright, so my protein of the week is going to be chicken. Like I said, I'm going to use this for like 3 of the different meals actually. So a lot of chicken for this week. And tuna. I just get my tuna from Aldi. And this is the one I get. This is a tuna that I get from Aldi. It's just a chunk light tuna in water. Oh my god. And then this is the other thing I got, is like this chicken and herb breakfast sausages. I got this at Walmart. So I went there to get a few cat things, and then I found these and I was so happy because I really like these. And I really like turkey bacon. But we have a bunch of frozen turkey bacon from Costco that we bought. We bought them in bulk. So we don't need no more turkey bacon, but that's another source of protein that I eat during the week. And yeah, that's my protein. All right, y'all, I promise I'm almost done. I got some yogurt. I got the big box from Costco. I have to pay like, I think like $17, which is a lot to spend on yogurt. But if you do the math by the amount that is inside the box, you probably won't need yogurt for like 3 weeks. Other dairy items that I have is this organic heavy cream. I want to, if I'm consuming dairy stuff, I want to make sure it's like some of the cleanest out there. So this is just organic cream with organic milk and gum. Like that's all the 3 ingredients that this has. So that's why I purchased this, just for it to be lighter on my stomach. I feel like when it has a lot of gums as the ingredients, I get really bloated and it's not the best for the bathroom. I also got some Land Lakes olive butter, and what I really liked about this one is just like 4 ingredients, super clean and simple, and it has milk. So for the bread for the week, I have this one, David's Killer Bread. I haven't tried it yet. I'm excited. If I don't get this, I really like sourdough bread or 100% whole wheat bread. The one from Aldi is good too. But I just wanted to get this one and try it out because it seems really healthy and it has great protein, and it was on sale in Whole Foods, so I was like, why not? Then I got these 100 light multi-grain English muffins, and you can use this for so much. Like for breakfast, of course you can use it, but like even like if you want like a small little snack for the day, you can even toast this up with some cream cheese or something like that. All I really have left is some small little grains and stuff that I bought that I just needed for like the house. I needed some 0 calorie sweetener, the monk fruit one. Then I have some honey. This is raw honey. It's organic from Walmart. Let me tell you, honey is expensive. But if I can find a cheap organic one, I will get it. And this one's the one I got from Walmart. And I have no shame. Sometimes you have to go to Walmart to find like good organic stuff for the low, honestly, even if it's a mess. Walmart's not my favorite place in the world, but if I need to dig in there for some affordable things, I will go. I just go late at night on Saturdays or whenever there's not a lot of people, early in the day. All right, then my last 2 grains is I have some garbanzos, which I need for my tuna salad. Garbanzos from Whole Foods are it. They're so good, so clean, and affordable, and organic. Go get the garbanzos. I'm obsessed. I make the drive to Whole Foods whenever I need garbanzos, and I buy like 4 of them just so I don't have to come back the next week because I eat garbanzos like every week, to be honest. All right, this is a protein pasta, and when I tell you guys that this does not taste like nothing like disgusting or grainy or a different taste, like this just tastes like regular pasta, and it has a good amount of source of protein, and it's, you know, it's much healthier for you, so I don't mind getting this one. 2 ounces has 10 grams of protein. Of course, it's not as affordable as the one that you would get the regular pasta from like Aldi. I almost forgot these 2 things. I just tried the Premier Protein cereal. So many people were talking about this and like TikTok, and they were like, this is so good, and like if you put like the protein shake as the milk replacement for this cereal. I just did it with almond milk and some bananas, and I didn't mind it. It's not like regular cereal though. You need to let it soak in. It's very hard, not flavorful, but the banana makes it a little bit better. And I don't hate it. I will give it an 8 out of 10. But definitely, if you like sweeter cereals, this is not for you. It's not for you. Last but not least, I ended up getting some rice cakes. I love rice cakes. I really like the caramel flavor ones. I haven't really tried the other ones. I feel like I wouldn't like the plain ones because they would just be way too plain for me. I think I ate plain ones before and they just weren't it. Maybe I just had to put more toppings on it and whatever, but for me personally, I really like the caramel ones. So I'm gonna continue eating these with some yogurt. I use this instead of like granola for my yogurt, and it's really good. So I'm gonna continue to eat these. Alright everyone, that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was useful and now you have some ideas of things that you can cook, ingredients you can put on your grocery list, and how to go about grocery shopping. I find grocery shopping super exciting. I like to go grocery shopping. It's just a little stressful if I'm not planning ahead of time, if I see that prices are still going up, because the prices in the US keep going up and up on groceries, which I do not appreciate. So I think that that's what's been making grocery shopping stressful. But personally, I have always enjoyed grocery shopping. I think grocery shopping is fun. I love to try new dishes. I love to see like what's on sale, and like honestly, grocery shopping is so much fun. And right now I'm at a point in my life where I have the best relationship with food that I have ever had in the past like 20 years, which is like crazy for me. And I just really want to continue doing this. Like I think my childhood, I obviously didn't stress too much about food, and I would eat whatever I wanted. So I would say my childhood was pretty good with food. I didn't ever have to stress about eating too much or if I was eating too less. Now that I like from high school and on, like it was just like tough, like with the food and everything. And in college, like just freshman 15 and everything, like for me, like this is such a good point in my life where I'm actually thinking about my own health and doing what feels good to me, and not listening to what other people think that I should do. So I hope that this helps you. I hope that you are having a good relationship with food, that you're taking care of yourself, that you're happy, that everything is going well for you all. Please make sure to subscribe and like this video and just support me on social media. I would really appreciate it, and just let me know what other videos you would like to see in the future. But yeah, I'll let you guys go. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.